Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up SFML and Visual Studio Community 2015, and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is create a new project. So just go to File, New, Project, make sure it's a Win32 console application from Visual C++. Now we're going to name it whatever you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. Click OK. Next, and here you're going to want to click on empty project. I'm going to do that just to sort of make it more clear as to what is going on, because an empty project doesn't have any pre-written files. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make this a bit bigger. Okay, so we're going to go over to console application, the project, not the solution. Okay, we're going to go properties, and here you're going to want to open up your SFML file. So I'll have it up here. So this is my SFML file. When you're going to download it from the website, you're going to get this RAR here. Okay, RAR file. We're going to go over to SFML, so just extract it. We're going to go to that folder. I'm going to copy it just for convenience. Go over to configuration properties, VC++ directories. Make sure all configurations is selected. Okay, so here we're going to click on include directories, edit, new line. Click these three dots. I'm going to paste this. Out of convenience, it's much easier than to just look for the folder again. So click include, select folder. Okay. And now we're going to do the same for library directories. Click edit, new line, three dots, again the folder, library, so lib, select folder. Okay, and now we're going to go to linker, import, and here there's a few things that you're going to need to write. So the thing is that I'm going to have them in the description, so you can just copy paste them. You don't need to write them. So those are, we're going to click here, edit, and what you want to do is start writing these down. sfml-graphics-d.lib, then it's window, if I remember correctly. They have to be in the right order. You can't just change the order. So system-d.lib, click OK, and then click apply. Now we're going to go over to release, configurations, over to input. What you want to do is just remove this D at the end. Okay, apply, okay. And now what we want to do is go over to our bin folder, SFML bin folder. So where you installed it, go to bin, copy all of the files, not necessarily, but we're going to do this again out of convenience. And now we're going to go paste these over to console application here, and this is the name of the folder that was created when I make the Visual Studio project. So we're going to go over to console application 1, inside console application 1, so not the main folder, not the main directory, but rather where the executable is going to be. So over here we're going to paste these here, and now we're going to see if it works. We're going to create a new item, C++ file, name it whatever you want. Again, it doesn't matter. I'm going to name it main because I'm used to it. And now what you want to do is just paste the code that I gave you in the description of the video. That's the tutorial code that is given on the official website, and we're going to check if it runs. So let me get it up here. Okay, so here it is. This is the code that you want to paste, and this is what it's supposed to show. So let's go back here. I'm going to paste it. Okay, so there are no red lines, so that's good. and now we're going to click, we're going to start debugging it. Here's the executable and there's the window. As you can see, it works. You can just resize the window. The circle is going to be resized as well, scaled. Okay, and the title here is there as well. Everything's good, everything works properly, and we're all happy, right? So with this, perhaps I'm going to continue more tutorials and explain what each line of code does. I'm going to create tutorials on how to make games, most likely soon. So anyway, enjoy your SFML with Visual Studio Community 2015, and thanks for watching. See you next time.